Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class students for maths class. Today we are going to discuss the quadratic equation introduction part 2. Here already I explained from here only. Then so the breadth of the hall showed by satisfy the equation 2x square plus x minus 300 equals 0, which is a quadratic equation. This is the one part, first one. Next parage. Students, you have to read the introduction part in textbook every line. Then you will get the some knowledge. And after you have to understand the what the teacher teaching in the classroom. మన క్లాస్లో టీచర్ చెప్పి వినాలి అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి అంటే ముందుగా ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ బాగా చదువుకోండి. కొంత అవగాహన వచ్చిన తర్వాత టీచర్స్ చెప్పేది మీకు బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ పేరా. Many people believe that Babylonians were the first to solve the quadratic equation. This is the objective type question they will give. Many people believe that the Babylonians were the first to solve of the quadratic equation. Who is the first solve the quadratic equation అంటే Babylonians అనేది చెప్పాలి మనం. For instance, they know the how to find two positive numbers with a given positive sum and given positive product, and this problem is equivalent to solve the quadratic equation of the form x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. ఇందాక మనం నేర్చుకుంది ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ చెప్పాం. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ పిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ క్యూ అని చెప్పాను. గ్రీక్ మ్యాథమెటిషియన్ యూక్లిడ్ డెవలప్డ్ ది జమెట్రికల్ అప్రోచ్ ఫర్ ది ఫైండింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది length which in our present day terminology are solutions of quadratic equation. Solving of the quadratic equation in general form is often credited the ancient Indian mathematicians. In fact, Brahmagupta gave the explicit formula to solve the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Siddharthacharya derived formula. Know the quadratic formula as by Bhaskara solving the quadratic equations. Read this passage and everything. Okay. This is the instructions of the quadratic equations. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like it.